We are here on the final day of Converge 2023 with the die-hard lab attendees in person. Maybe you were able to do the labs remotely, maybe you were here in person, so we want to feature here again another example of why I tell you regularly you've got to sign up early for these labs. So before we get into the title, guys, quick introduction.
Yeah, hi, I'm Josh Delvesco. I'm a TAM in Columbus, Ohio.
I'm a TAM. I'm Jeremy Ryder out of Indiana.
All right, so what's the title of your lab today?
This is Vulnerability Terminator. So we're going to automate some patching and software deployments and other things.
Automation.
Yep.
That's a key word that we heard from the main stage this week, and really excited to see what are people learning in your lab this week.
Well, they're going to learn how to automate, patch, and deploy using ring-based deployments. So we're going to have a pre-pilot, and then we're going to have a production ring for patch and deploy.
And what's the mechanics of building a ring deployment?
Well, with patch, the key component of that is our patch list, using the release date field, and basically using the age of patches when they're released.
Yep. So we're the last day. How many of these labs have you delivered this week?
I've delivered 2, helped with 2.
All right.
About the same.
Yeah, all right. So as you're talking to attendees in the labs, what's their feedback been like?
So far, it's been pretty good. I think they've been real perceptive and like the one-on-one and asking questions and digging in an environment that's not theirs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would agree. Yeah, very good feedback so far.
Yeah, and that's a key point, right? You're able to dig into an environment that you know you're not going to mess anything up in production back home.
Exactly.
So that's a big benefit of coming in here to do the labs, right? Or even doing them from your home in our remote virtual lab offering. So I want to thank you guys because I know how much this takes. It takes a lot of work. You guys have been at this for months, probably.
Since August.
Since August.
Yeah.
This is November. So you guys have been working on this. So I just want to say thank you for that. And also just one shout out to the home team. These guys are on my team. Yeah, so there you go, folks. Anything else before we wrap up?
Not really. Look forward to seeing people next year, too.
Exactly. So sign up early for these labs next year for 2024. We're going to be in Orlando, Florida. Start now convincing your boss you need to be there. All right. And you'll get to meet these guys again. And so stay tuned because we've got more videos here from Converge 2023.